Hello everyone, let's solve the question number 19 of GATE CS1 paper 2025. Consider the following context-free grammar G where S1, A1 and B are the variables, non-terminals, where A and B are the terminal symbol, S is the start variable. And the rules of grammar are described as S, A, B or A, B, B. A can be implied as single A or more A's. B can be implied as a single B or more B's. Which one of the following languages L of G is accepted by the grammar? So it is a context-free grammar. You are given four options. Before solving this question, let's first understand all the prerequisite concepts required to solve this particular question. So, what is a grammar? Grammar is a set of instruction that tells you how to build letters. It contains start symbol. So start symbols are basically the S. Some rules. So rules like this, S implies A, B. Terminal variable are actual letters like A, comma, B. And non-terminals are the symbols. Non-terminal variable are basically the symbols like a capital S, capital A, capital B, etc. Once you know this much, let me erase that. So let's now study the rules of the question. Now you understand what is a start symbol. Here the S is where you begin. Rules are basically what you have to do. Terminals are actual letter. Non-terminal are the placeholder or the variables. Okay. So since we know all this, let's understand the rules of the question. The first rule is S implies A, capital B. S implies this is start. Capital A, small b, small b. This is rule 1. This is rule 2. A can be a single A or more than one A's. B can be a single B or more than one B's as per given in the question. We now know the rules. What kind of words can grammar create? Let's try both the rules one by one. So the very first rule 1 is, so we will try to understand using these rules, what kind of words we can create. So S implies A, single B, capital B. Now, since B can be single B or more than one B's, so capital B can be implied as AAB or AABB or AABBB. As mentioned in dot dot dot, you can keep as many as you want. So this part gives us the fact that two A's plus one or more B's. This implies that AAB, AABB, dot dot dot, AAA, AABBBB, like this, dot dot dot. So we can keep continuing because it is one or more than one B's. Okay. Using rule 2, let's understand what we can make from this. So capital A, B, B. Okay. Now, let's actually understand capital A can be implied as single or more than one A's. So the words we can make are ABB, AABB, triple ABB, and dot dot dot. Like A can be replaced as many times you want. So we can say from this particular thing that one or more A's plus two B's is this. Now let's understand what is a full language. We can take both type of words from both the rules. So context-free grammar, L of G is equal to 2A's plus any number of B's union, because it can have both the things. Since we are doing union, what is a union? So A union B. If you guys know that set of A union B is set of A plus set of B. There is a like formula and then we minus set of A intersection B. if you guys know, using set theory. So, if you guys know this, then language, context-free language, grammar rule can have two A's plus any number of B's, union, any number of A's greater than equal to 1, obviously, greater than equal to 1 plus two B's. As per the question, till now, nothing new. So once we figure out that, uh, we can say, we can like journalize this. So language grammar rule will be a square b to the power n, where n can be greater than equal to 1, union a to the power n b square, where n can be greater than equal to 1. So let's try to match the options now from the given example. So if you observe carefully, uh, option A is actually matching with this. So the correct answer of this particular question is option A. That's it for this particular video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.